Hi, Amanda here at DataBasics. Today we're talking about how to do an expense distribution for different projects within one expense report. We will begin here at the dashboard. Then let's go to Create New Report. We're going to create an expense report. We will type in its purpose as Trip to Client. And here's the beginning of my expense distribution. For now, let's choose just one and put it at 100%. Here's my operating unit, here's my department. I'll hit next. And here I can see that 100% of my allocation goes to one project right here. Now let's say I actually needed to change this to 2 projects. First, I will begin by putting this down to 50%. Then I hit next. Now let's add another distribution. Let's say that the project is this one. Here's the operating unit. Here's the product and services group. And now we will change this to 50%. And now I have an equal distribution between 2 projects. That looks good, so I'll hit next. And now I need to add in a new expense. Let's begin by clicking on the airfare. Say it took place on April 3rd. I paid for it as the employee and it was $330. We'll click next. And now I need to upload a receipt. I have already actually uploaded this receipt. I'll attach it to this expense line. And when I hit next, I can see here that I have 2 expense distributions. And here I can see that the $330 charge has been evenly divided between the 2 projects. However, let's say I need to complicate things, and on this trip I needed to visit 3 different clients. However, for the majority it was for this client, but 25% was for this client and 25% for a third client. So what I will do is change this percent allocation to 25%. This amount is automatically changed as well. Now I have 25 more percent to add. Let's say it was for now this project. These are correct, but this needs to go back down to 25. Hit next. And now my allocation is at 100% and my expense has been automatically split into 3. That looks good. And that's how I do 3 different projects or clients or activities, but I split the one expense between all 3. Thanks for watching.